Here is how I built an AI image enhancer in N8N. I will upload this photo by selecting choose file. Then I just type the add description, hit submit, and the workflow does the rest. It analyzes the image, creates an ad ready version with AI, and emails the result straight to my inbox. By the end of this video, you will have your own automated image enhancement service that runs 24/7. To get started quickly, I have created a complete workflow template for you. You can grab it for free from my Skool community. Link is in the description. Once you join, download the JSON file. Then in N8N, click the plus button, select workflow, hit the top right menu, select import from file, select the template, and you will have the full workflow imported instantly. Let us dive in and go through this step by step. Our automation begins with the form trigger node. This creates a web form that users can access to submit their photos and requirements. The form title is set to Midas Ad Agency and form description shows UGC ads generator. We have defined 3 fields. First is a file upload, second field to enter ad description, finally email field where users enter their contact information to receive the finished images. We need a public URL for our uploaded image so AI can analyze it. That's where IMGBB comes in. IMGBB is a free image hosting service that gives us an easy way to turn our images into shareable URLs. Head to IMGBB website, sign up for a free account. After logging in, go to About section, select API page and create your API key. This is the upload endpoint that we are going to use. The method is set to post. Here we paste the upload endpoint. Authentication uses query auth with your IMGBB API key. For the body, we are sending binary file with input field set to photo underscore. When this runs, IMGBB uploads the file and sends back a JSON response containing a direct public image URL that we can use in the next steps. This OpenAI node analyzes the uploaded photo to understand what type of content we are working with. You will need to enter your OpenAI credentials here. Check out the video in the description for a quick step-by-step guide. Resource is set to image, operation is set to analyze image, and we are using ChatGPT 4o latest model. The text input field contains detailed instructions asking the AI to determine if the image shown is a product or a character or both, then return analysis in YAML format including brand name, color scheme with hex codes, font styles and visual descriptions. The URL field contains a dynamic variable that will have the URL from the IMGBB upload. This analysis becomes the foundation for generating enhanced versions of the image. This is where we start creating our image enhancement instructions. This AI agent takes the image analysis and user description to create an enhanced image prompt. The source is set to define below, and here we provided the prompt. The prompt combines 3 key pieces: the user's ad description coming from the form submission, the AI's image analysis results, and the instructions to create the prompt accurately. The system message is extensive and defines the AI's role as an ad prompt builder with specific instructions for creating realistic phone photo style prompts that look authentic and relatable. Key principles include embracing slight imperfections like off-center framing, using natural light, and maintaining text accuracy from the original product. The output is structured JSON containing an image prompt field that describes the enhanced version we want to create. This node provides the AI language model capability for the prompt generation process. It is set to use GPT 4.1 mini model for cost-effective processing. The structured output parser node ensures the AI response comes back in the exact JSON format we need. Here we are sending our enhanced prompt to Google's Gemini model for image generation through OpenRouter. We are using OpenRouter's API to access Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview, which is the same as Nano Banana. You will need OpenRouter credentials. Sign up at openrouter.ai, add credits to your account. A small amount like $5 is sufficient, and connect your API key in N8N. Check out the video in the description for a quick step-by-step guide. Let us quickly glance at the API call. This is the API call documentation. Here is the API endpoint URL, and here is the model name. This is the complete example on how to call the API. The method is set to post. Here is the chat completions endpoint. This is the OpenRouter credentials. The JSON body includes the model, our AI generated prompt as text content, and the original image URL from IMGBB. This node extracts and prepares the generated image data for email delivery. It pulls the base 64 image data from Gemini's response and sets up variables for data, base, MIME, and the file name. The convert to file node transforms our base 64 image data into a proper file attachment. Operation is set to move base 64 string to file, and here we provided the base 64 input field name, and this is the output field name. This Gmail node delivers the finished enhanced image to the user's email address. You will need Gmail credentials. Check out the video in the description for setup instructions. The to field contains email address submitted via the form. The message includes original uploaded photo URL and mentions the image is attached in the email. Here we have added the attachments option to send the image file. Alright, this is where it all comes together. We have built the workflow, connected all the nodes. Now let us see it in action. I'm hitting the execute workflow button here. Let us upload the image and type in the add description. Type in the email address and hit submit button. The entire process typically takes couple of minutes. The workflow finished successfully. We should have received an email with our enhanced image attached. Here is the email. This is the original photo link. This is the product. And here is the image generated by AI. Here is another variation of the same product.